Hey, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. What a great job they did on the redesign on this boat. It's fantastic, runs great, all kinds of options on the boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Let's start at the back of the boat. We've got the new Mercury, the 300 horsepower on it. It's made in America Mercury, which we all love. It's a ton of horsepower for this boat. Great hole shot on it, very little vibration, and really quiet. So it's just an incredible engine, and especially for this boat as well. We've got a couple of things on the back. It's set up very nicely for fishing. So you've got the jack plate, which you can raise up the motor and get you into shallower water, and this goes into shallower water already, so you can get into hardly well under a foot without a problem. You've got the power pole, 8-foot power pole on it, which is obviously great when you just fish in the backwaters as well. It's also good if you go to the beach. Kind of keeps the engine off the beach, so it's actually a nice feature for that. The seats do two things. So when you're just out cruising around, you've got a seat, very comfortable seat here, and then when you're if you're going to fish, this folds in like this. The cushion comes off, and now you got one big platform in the back. So everything's recessed, so no trip hazards at all. You've got your bait, big live well, conveniently located right there. And then I've got 4 drink holders, couple of rod holders, drawer storage for your gear. Trash is in, I got a 5-gallon trash pail in there, so that's conveniently located on the back as well. And as we move up to the helm, you get the Simrad, so you got the 12-inch Simrad. You've got you can split this up, so I can have a chart water on one side, I can have my fish finder on the other side, which is nice. You get your Smart Craft JL audio on it, Simrad VHF, digital throttle and shift, trim tabs, and you've got the remote control for the jack plate conveniently located right here, so you can control it from the helm. I've got a cell phone charger. You just put your cell phone on there when you're not using it, and it charges the whole time you're out, so you'll never run out of juice on that. And then moving to the head, it's good, really good size. So you've got plenty of headroom down here. It's a pump out, so it's just plenty of room. You can have storage stuff down underneath it as well, and your batteries are conveniently located there also. So we move to the bow area. You've got a really nice sized lounger. So 2 people very comfortably, armrest, drink holders on it. You can put anything down here. You can put dive tanks down here. You can put, anything you want. You got enough room for all of it. You've got rod holders that will go into the head, so you can actually lock them up. Keep 5 rods, safely. No one can see them. You go into a restaurant or whatever, they're locked away. So really nice storage. Then here we've got if you're going out for a ride. These come up here. This one comes up on both sides. So now you got the nice lounges here, and you got 2 more. So you got 4 adults very comfortably lounging up front. You got a fish box down in here, and you can also ice that down. And you've got the remote for the trolling motor is already in there. So you just have to mount the trolling motor on the bow, whichever kind you want, and all the wiring, which is really one of the most expensive parts about it. Is already in and ready to go. It's got a sunshade. You'll see 2 brackets here. So you've got a sunshade that clips on the hardtop. It diffuses about 50% of the sun. It doesn't get rid of all of it, but it gets rid of a lot of it. So it's a really nice feature, and it goes up in about 2 minutes. So it's a nice feature on that. So this boat, great running boat. Take it out on the Gulf Ocean, no problem. Take it into the backwaters. No problem there at all. So it really is very versatile. It does everything. So if you got any questions and would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.